Welcome to our DemoDazzle How-To series, where we'll guide you step by step on creating interactive, engaging demos. There are two ways to create demo flows in DemoDazzle. First, by using our browser extension, and second, by uploading a demo presentation as a PDF. In this session, we will learn to use the extension. Before starting, ensure that you have installed the Demo Flow extension in your browser. This extension will allow you to easily capture and edit demo steps. To install the extension, go to Demo Flows module and click on Get Extension button. You will be redirected to the Chrome's extension page. From here, you can install the extension. Once installed, click on the Extensions button and pin the extension. Go to the page you would like to record and launch the extension by clicking on the Demo Flow icon in your browser toolbar. To start, click on the Record Demo Flow button. As you navigate through your application, the extension will automatically capture each step you take. After saving the demo flow, the clicked areas will automatically be highlighted like this. Once you've completed capturing all the steps, click on the extension and click on Save to secure your demo flow. You can always go back to edit or update it later. To update your demo flow, click on the demo flows from the side menu. Here you will see all of your demo flows. To refine your demo, add frame-by-frame instructions or update the elements. Click on the Edit button. You can add text descriptions of each step which the AI assistant will use during the demo session. Modify the existing elements on the screen. You can also insert additional screens, duplicate a screen, or delete a screen as well. Or add more elements by clicking on the Insert Elements button. Once you've made all necessary updates, click Done to lock in the changes. I hope you found this helpful. Stay tuned for the next video in our DemoDazzle How-To series.